Looking for delicious chicken recipes to spice up your dinner table? You're in the right place. Today, we're making 3 quick and tasty chicken dinners that are perfect for any night of the week. First up, garlic butter chicken. Simple, juicy, and full of flavor. Chicken breasts, garlic cloves, butter, fresh parsley, lemon juice. Just season your chicken, sear it golden brown, and melt that garlic butter all over. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. Next, we're making a creamy chicken pasta that comes together in under 30 minutes. Ingredients: cooked chicken pasta, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, spinach. It's rich, comforting, and perfect for busy weeknights. And finally, spicy honey chicken, sweet, spicy, and addictive. Ingredients: chicken thighs, honey, soy sauce, chili flakes, garlic. Serve this with rice or veggies for a restaurant-style meal at home. Which recipe will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy and tasty recipes every week.